My video guide will help you to remove scary alerts related to the site dailyprotectioncentr.com. Dailyprotectioncentr.com is a misleading website. It tries to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Also, it tries to trick you into subscribing to its numerous advertisements that would be displayed as push notifications. Dailyprotectioncentr.com is a dangerous site because it tries to deceive you and to trick you into wasting your money for nothing. The website says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses and that you need to download some tool to get it fixed. But the point is, when people click on this proceed button, they would be forwarded to some other deceptive websites that may promote a totally different software. So there is something really misleading with all these pop-ups. You should not trust them and you should not install anything that they suggest. If the allow button was also mistakenly clicked, you can expect a lot of ads to attack your screen. To remove them, access the menu Settings, choose Security and Privacy, then Site Settings, go to Permissions and select Notifications. Pay careful attention to the sites that are permitted to send notifications. If you find this dailyprotectioncentr.com, click on this button and delete the malicious site from the list. And of course, if you see other malicious sites, remove them too. Fixing your browser manually like that does not guarantee that all other malware is removed. So I recommend researching your device thoroughly with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.